On this video today, I'm going to show you another strategy that you can use to make money selling digital products. This method is one of the best because it does not require any skills, it does not require any investment. You can use it wherever you are in the world to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to get a digital product so that you can sell it to make money from home. In my previous video, I showed you this website, edufreebie.com. This is a website where you can find a lot of digital products to download and sell them at your own price without any copyright strike. You can see when you click right here, courses, they have video courses that you can download and then sell them at your own price. They have ebooks that you can download and then sell them at your own price. In my previous video, I showed you how to sell ebooks, but if you want, you can also click right here, video courses. Once you click on it, you can find video courses to download and then sell them at your own price. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the kind of digital product that you want to promote. Let's click on ebooks. Once you click on ebooks, you can see these are ebooks that you can download and then sell them at your own price. You can see a whole lot of them. Just download the one that you want and then sell it at your own price. For example, if you want, you can click on this ebook. Once you click on the ebook that you want to download, it is going to open like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click right here, free download. Once you click on it, you can be able to download the ebook onto your device. Once you download the ebook, the next step is that you have to find a platform where you can sell the ebook to make money from home. In my previous video, I showed you Gumroad, where you can sell your ebook to make money from home. But if PayPal is banned in your country, you can't sell your products on Gumroad because even if you make money, you can't receive the payment. They only have one payment method, which is PayPal, and if you don't have a PayPal account, you can't receive money on Gumroad. The next website that you can sell your digital products is seller.co. Seller.co is one of the largest platforms where you can sell your digital downloads for free without paying for anything. What they do is that they only charge withdrawal fee. So if you sell a product on this platform, you don't need to pay for anything. Once you make the sale, when you are withdrawing your money, they will charge a little fee from the amount that you want to withdraw. They pay through different methods. You can get your payment through PayPal, you can get it through mobile money, you can get it through bank transfer, and a whole lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money. To sell a digital product, what you need to do is that you have to create your account so that you can be able to sell the ebook that you downloaded. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, start selling. Once you click on it, you can be able to create your free accounts and then begin to sell the ebook or the courses that you want to sell. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to upload the ebook that you downloaded. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, add a new product. Once you click on it, you have to select digital product because it is a digital product. Just click right here, next. Once you click on it, you can be able to upload the ebook and then begin to sell it. I've showed you all these steps in the previous video, so I don't need to go through everything again. So once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You have to upload the covers of the book, you have to enter the title of the book, enter the price. If you want to enter a strike price, you can click right here and then enter a strike price. So the strike price will be higher than the price that you actually want people to pay for the ebook. For example, if you want people to buy your book at $15, you have to enter it right here. The strike price, you can enter $50, you can enter $30, you can enter $40. That is just to show your potential customers that you have reduced the price. The strike price, people are not going to purchase the product at that price. They are going to purchase the product at the price that you enter here. If you don't want to show a strike price, just leave it. So it is not compulsory. Once that is done, you have to write a description of the ebook or the courses that you are selling. Once you enter that, you have to select the category. So click right here. There are different categories. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the category that best match the ebook or the courses that you are selling. Once that is done, you have to enter the subcategory. You can see you have to select a category before you can select a subcategory. You can see subcategories. Once that is done, if the product have different variants, you can select it. For example, some products you can have them in audio format and the ebook format as well. So if you have the product in only one format, you don't need to click on this box. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. If the product is not ready, you have to click right here. This is a pre-ordered product, but the product is ready, so you don't need to check this box. Once that is done, you can see store category filters. If you click on it, there is no list, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to upload the ebook so that you can begin selling it. If you don't want people to download the ebook, you just want them to read the book online, you can select this option. If you want them to download the ebook onto their devices and then read, you can select this option. Once that is done, click right here so that you can upload the ebook file. If you have the ebook on your Google Drive and you want people to be directed to the link of the product on your Google Drive once they make a purchase, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. But in this case, you have to upload the ebook. Just upload it and then sell it using this platform. I want to show you a product that I've uploaded so that you can see everything. As you can see, this is an example of a book that I uploaded. You can see the covers, you can see the prices. As a school, you can see the description, you can see everything. So what you need to do is that you have to download the book and then follow these same steps so that you can upload it onto the platform. Once you upload it, you see something like create product. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get a link that you can share with others to purchase the ebook. As you can see, this is the link. So you are also going to get a link like this. Now the next step is that you have to find a lot of people to click on this link so that they can then purchase your ebook for you to make money from home without investing anything. You can use paid traffic source. That is if you want to invest money before you make the sales. But if you don't want to invest anything, you have to use the free traffic source so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. In the other video, I showed you a platform that you can use to promote the ebook to get people to purchase it. In today's video, I'm going to show you a different method that you can use to promote your ebook so that you can get people to purchase the book without you investing any money. The platform that we are going to be using to sell our ebook is Medium.com. Medium.com is one of the best websites that you can use to sell your ebook for free without paying for anything. It is very effective. Medium is a website where you can publish articles to other people so that they can read it. They have a lot of subscribers, so once you publish an article on this platform, if it is a good article, they are going to send it to their subscribers so that they can read it. So you can get free traffic to your article without promoting it. All that you need to do is that you have to write a good article and then post it onto this platform. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to create an account so that we can write a very good article about the book that we are selling. Once we write the article, we can publish it onto this platform and then get people to purchase the ebook that we are promoting. So click right here, get started. Once you click on get started, you can create a free account. Once you create your free accounts and login, you can see other people have published articles onto this platform. You can see this one, it has got 773 claps. There are many of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to also write a very useful article. You can see many different articles and you can see the claps. The claps are just people who like the article, you can see. So make sure you publish a very useful article so that you can get many people to read it. You can see this one has got over 15,000 claps. That means it is one of the best that people want to read. So now what we have to do is that we have to write our article. To write an article, you can either decide to write it by yourself or you can use an AI to write a very useful article for you so that you can publish it onto this platform. What I usually do is that I use ChatGPT to write my articles. So once ChatGPT write the articles, I can then sit down and then edit it before I can publish it onto this platform. Once you open ChatGPT, the next step is that you have to type a prompt here so that it can write a very useful article for you. So all that you need to do is that you have to look at the title of your book and then write an article about it. In my case, it is Make Money Online Fast. You can see it right here. So you have to write the article related to the ebook that you are selling so that you can be able to sell it on Medium.com. So you can type a prompt like this: write an article about how to make money online fast, include all relevant details and make it compelling for readers to read the entire article. So something like this. The prompt, you can change it in the way that you want. You don't have to copy this word for word. You can write your own prompt and then get ChatGPT to write a very useful article for you. Once that is done, click right here send so that it can write the article for you. As you can see, it is writing the article. You can see everything. It is going to write an article. As you can see, it is writing the article. So just wait for it to write the article. You can see it is writing the article, sell product online. As you can see, it has written a very lengthy article. If you don't want this, you can click right here so that it can generate another article for you. In my case, I like this article, so all that you need to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of your article. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on Medium, click right here, write. Once you click on write, you're going to see a page like this. You can see title. This is where you're going to paste the title of your article. So paste the title. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy the body of the article and then paste it right here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy everything. Highlight and copy everything in the article. Once you highlight, copy it. Once you highlight and copy, the next step is that you have to come back on Medium. Once you come back on Medium, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see everything has been pasted. The next step is that you have to include the link of the ebook in this article. You can see this is the article that you are going to publish onto Medium. You can see everything. So all that you need to do is that you have to begin posting it. So let's arrange it properly. Just arrange everything so that it can be readable. As you can see the article, you can see everything in the article. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert the link of your ebook so that people can see it and then make a purchase for you to earn money. So you can type a call to action right here. Let's type something like, click here to learn more about how to make money online. Just something like this. Once you type your call to action like this, the next step is that you have to insert the link of your ebook. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on seller.co, highlight and copy the link of your ebook. Once you highlight and copy the link of your ebook, you have to come back on medium.com. Once you come back, highlight the call to action and then click right here, insert link. Once you click on it, paste the link of your ebook here and then press enter. As you can see, that has been done. The link of your ebook is now right here. Once your potential readers read the article, when they click right here, they can purchase the book for you to make money. Once that is done, you can also insert the book in any part of the article that you want. So let's insert the link of the ebook right here. So first of all, what you want to do is that you want to upload an image of the ebook. So click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, you can see images. You can upload videos. You can embed links. We want to insert an image, so click on image. Once you click on it, just select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the image of the ebook. Now what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action here so that when people see the link of the ebook, they can go ahead and then make a purchase for you to make money. So let's insert the link of the ebook. So let's type a call to action right here. So you can type something like, click here to get access to this book, something like this. Once that is done, come back on seller.co, highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on copy link. Once you highlight and copy the link, come back on medium.com, highlight your call to action, click on insert link. Once that is done, paste your link right here. Once that is done, press enter. You can see that has been done. Now if you publish your article, people are going to see your ebook and they can go ahead and then make a purchase for you to make money. So the next step is that you have to publish the article. To publish the article, click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you have to add some tags. So let's add something like make money. So you can see make money online, select it. Once that is done, let's type something like money. You can see money, select it. Once that is done, you have to select something like side hustle, something like this. You can see it right here, select it. Once that is done, you have to enter something like online business or online marketing, any of them that you want, select it. Once that is done, you can type something like money tips. You can see it, enter it. Once you enter the tags are going to help your article to be ranked high on this website. So you are going to be ranked for all these keywords. Now once you have entered the tags, the next step is that you have to click right here, publish now. Once you click on it, you can see publishing story. Just wait for it to be published. As you can see, it has been published. You can see it right here. Just now your article has been published and you are going to get a lot of people on Medium to read it. you can see you are going to get thousands of people to read this article. As you can see, there's a pop-up notification here. Your story is published. If you want, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on X, you can share it on LinkedIn. You can copy the link of your article and then begin to share it to others. So this is the full published article. So once people are reading it, most of them are going to click on this link and then purchase the product for you to make money. When you scroll down at the bottom of the article, you can see your affiliate link is right here. So when people click on it, they can get access to the book and then make a purchase for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to make sure you create many articles about the ebook or the video courses that you are selling and then publish them on Medium.com. Once you publish it, you are going to be getting people to read the article and then purchase the product. Make sure you keep on making different articles about the product that you're promoting so that you can get people to purchase it for you to make money without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.